Certainly. Here's a recipe for Kai Pad Pong Kari, stir-fried crab with curry powder. A delectable Thai dish that combines crab meat with aromatic curry powder and other flavorful ingredients. Ingredients: 500 g crab meat, preferably lump crab meat. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 3 to 4 cloves garlic, minced. 1 onion sliced. 1 to 2 bird's eye chilies, chopped, optional, adjust to taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons curry powder. 1/4 cup chicken broth or water. 1/2 cup coconut milk. 2 tablespoons fish sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. 2 eggs, beaten. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 green bell pepper, sliced. 1/2 cup chopped green onions. Fresh cilantro, chopped, for garnish. Instructions. Prepare the ingredients. Mince the garlic, slice the onion, chop the chilies, and slice the bell peppers. Beat the eggs and set them aside. Heat the oil. In a large wok or skillet, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Sauté the aromatics. Add the minced garlic, sliced onion, and chopped chilies to the wok. Stir-fry until fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. Add the curry powder. Sprinkle the curry powder into the wok, stirring constantly to toast it slightly and release its aroma. Add the crab meat. Add the crab meat to the wok, stirring to coat it evenly with the curry powder and aromatics. Add the liquids and seasonings. Pour in the chicken broth or water and coconut milk. Stir in the fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Add the vegetables. Add the sliced red and green bell peppers to the wok. Stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until the peppers start to soften. Add the eggs. Pour the beaten eggs into the wok, stirring constantly to scramble them and mix them with the other ingredients. Cook until the eggs are fully set. Add the green onions. Stir in the chopped green onions, cooking for another minute until they are just wilted. Serve. Transfer the stir-fried crab to a serving dish. Garnish with chopped fresh cilantro. Serving suggestions. Serve hot with steamed jasmine rice. Optionally, serve with lime wedges for an extra burst of freshness. Enjoy your homemade Kai Pad Pong Kari, a flavorful and aromatic Thai crab dish. Kai Pad Pong Kari, stir-fried crab with curry powder, is a flavorful Thai dish that combines the rich taste of crab with the warm, aromatic notes of curry powder. This dish is a favorite in Thai cuisine, known for its unique blend of spices and the natural sweetness of crab meat. Key elements. Crab. Main ingredient. The star of the dish is fresh crab meat, which is often used whole or in pieces to retain its delicate flavor and texture. The crab is typically stir-fried, allowing it to absorb the flavors of the spices and sauces. Aromatics and spices. Curry powder. This dish uses Thai-style curry powder, which differs slightly from Indian curry powder. It tends to be milder and more aromatic, with a mix of turmeric, coriander, cumin, and other spices. Garlic and chilies. Garlic and bird's eye chilies are essential aromatics, adding depth and a hint of heat to the dish. Onions and bell peppers. These vegetables add sweetness and crunch, balancing the richness of the crab and the spices. Sauces and seasonings. Coconut milk. Adds creaminess and a slight sweetness, enhancing the overall flavor profile. Fish sauce, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. These provide the salty and umami elements, creating a well-rounded taste. Eggs. Beaten eggs are often added towards the end of cooking, creating a rich, creamy texture that melds with the curry sauce. Preparation and cooking. The preparation of Kai Pad Pong Kari involves stir-frying the crab with the curry powder and aromatics, then simmering it in a mixture of coconut milk and seasonings. The dish is cooked quickly over high heat to ensure the crab remains tender and the flavors are well integrated. Serving. Kai Pad Pong Kari is typically served hot, garnished with fresh cilantro for added aroma. It is often enjoyed with steamed jasmine rice, which helps to balance the robust flavors of the dish. Lime wedges can be served on the side to add a zesty contrast. Cultural significance. This dish is a popular choice in Thai seafood restaurants and is often prepared for special occasions. It showcases the Thai approach to balancing flavors, combining sweet, salty, spicy, and creamy elements in one dish. The use of curry powder in Thai cuisine reflects the historical influence of Indian and Malay cooking, adapted to suit local tastes and ingredients. Overall, Kai Pad Pong Kari is a dish that exemplifies the richness and complexity of Thai cuisine, offering a delightful combination of fresh seafood and aromatic spices.